Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the PHP and HTML section. This is beyond strings. We can also incorporate more complex PHP within our scripts. Here we have our PHP script, and we have this variable lucky number, and it's assigned 5 times 2 minus 1. We then can echo this string with h1 your lucky number is, with our lucky number inserted in, and then closing h1. The code above will be translated into HTML with a header that reads your lucky number is 9. We can incorporate all the language features we know about PHP, including functions. Here we have a script that has a function, make header greeting. It takes in name. It will then return this h1 with hello name. We then can echo make header greeting with world passed in, and it should say hello world. The code above will be translated into HTML with a header that reads hello world. Our instructions say at the top of index.php, we added some PHP variables and functions. In these checkpoints, you'll be adding code within the PHP block under the h2 tag. This section will contain information about data stored in About Me. First things first, let's introduce the person. Access the name from the About Me array within your introduction. Place this greeting in an h3 tag. Let's do that now. Let's run this. We do pass, and we do see hello, my name is I'll never tell. 2 says you can pass a person's data array like about me into the calculate age function to determine someone's age. Add a paragraph tag under the h3 and state how old the person is. Be sure to use calculate age. You may have to use PHP's concatenation operator. Let's do that now. Run that. We do pass, and we get I'm 120 years old. 3 says add a final div and use it to tell us the person's favorite food. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We do pass, and we get my favorite food is pizza. So what we're learning here is beyond strings, which is teaching us that we can do so much more than pass in strings. We can use all the different data types that we've been learning about. We can incorporate features, including functions. We know that we were also able to pass in our arrays and target values within our arrays to be passed into our HTML. As long as you're understanding that, we could pass in different data into our HTML through PHP, then you're understanding this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, quick question for you. Are you happy with your current job or career? Do you like to go to work every day and see yourself doing what you're doing right now forever? If not, I'd like to share with you a little bit about the sponsor of this video, the Programmer Coach. The Programmer Coach is an online coding program that helps people learn how to code and get a high-paying job as a software developer. Their program is unique in that they teach you how to code by doing, through practice, which is truly the only way to learn any skill at the end of the day, right? Plus, they provide you with coaches to help you whenever you run into any issues. They also have career coaching and placement services, where they work with you and help you get your first job as a software developer. And the best part, their program is affordable and accessible for anyone and everyone. That's right, you won't pay the bulk of your tuition until you actually land a job as a software developer. To learn all of the details you would ever need and get all of your questions answered, simply go to becomeaprogrammer.com. Becomeaprogrammer.com. Once again, that's becomeaprogrammer.com.